a weight limit on it, old man.
Oh, geez, I thought that was for me.
Well, we got something special to show you, buddy. No, okay, you did not get grandma's car. What's that? Somebody got a car. It's a Jeep. Oh, you want to try your Jeep? You do. Hop in your Jeep.
You can drag that.
Hop in your Jeep. Okay, are you ready? Push it. No, use your foot.
Use your foot. Use your foot.
Now push hard.
You can do it, baby!
Needs a remote.
Does the seat go closer?
No. Can you push? If it's small enough, big button, you have to get in the Jeep. Yes.
Use your foot, Austin. Push hard. Push hard.
No. No.
Yeah, she's on it, might be.
Okay, ready?
Oh, that's a good idea.
It's okay. Push. Push. Why don't we... Come here. There we go. Why don't we head into the grass?
Push hard.
Push.
Push. Push.
Push on it.
Oh, that's it.
You can do it. Yay!
Hey!
Yay! Go on, go!
Hold your foot down real hard.
Let's go in the open field here. Okay, now push. 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 Turn. Keep going. Push. Yay! Come on.
Push.
Lauren. Go on. Keep going. Yay! You're driving your Jeep.
That's it. Keep going, buddy.
Go on. Yay! Keep going. Here. Go on. Push it. Push it. She has a Jeep too. Oh. That's okay.
Somebody just had a birthday.
Yes, we're 2.
Ooh.
Yes, you got a Jeep.
James. James.
Why don't you try yours?
You gonna go? Keep going. No, in your Jeep, honey. Go that way. Turn. Go ahead. You drive like your mom. Turn. Go on.
Just don't hit a tree, honey, or otherwise you could be ugly. Right, Grandma?
What are you talking about?
If he were to hit a tree?
Yes, it is. Go on. Go to Grammy. You go to Grammy. Go on.
It's gonna catch you.
I think he's gonna go be a passenger instead. Are you all done? Well, then get back in. No, it's not movable. Uh-oh, they go right there. Step on your pedal. Oh, gotta buckle up first.
Safety is paramount.
Yes, I know. Push. Push hard. Yay. Keep going. I know, that's funny. Mama can't do that the whole time, though.
Mommy! Turn the wheel.
Push.
Is this how I learned how to drive?
Yes, it is, actually.
Yeah, that's another one.
Just like
Push
the
your
same
pedal.
color as Grammy.
Push. Help you steer. Push.
Coming through. I didn't need the pedal to work. I did not think about the steering concept.